Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Outlook guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Outlook profile picture, step by step. Whether you're updating your business account or just adding a personal touch to your emails, this is the easiest and most updated method to do it. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your new photo appears everywhere in Outlook instantly. Let's jump right in. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Outlook or Microsoft 365 login page. You can type outlook.com or office.com in the address bar. Both will get you there. Once you're on the page, sign in using your email and password. If your account has two-step verification, Outlook will ask for an extra security check, maybe a code sent to your phone or email. Complete that step to access your dashboard securely. After logging in, look to the top right corner of your Outlook screen. You'll see your profile icon. It might show your initials or your current photo. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose My Profile. On the new page, you'll see a tab called Your Info. This is where all your personal details are stored. Right near the top, click Add a Photo or Change Photo if you already have one set. Now click Upload Photo. Choose an image from your device, maybe a professional headshot or your favorite selfie. Once it's uploaded, you can crop or reposition it so it fits perfectly in the circular frame. Finally, hit Save or Apply. Outlook will now update your profile picture across all Microsoft services, including Teams, OneDrive, and Outlook Desktop. It might take a few minutes to sync everywhere, depending on your connection. And that's it. You've just updated your Outlook profile picture. Quick, simple, and professional. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more Outlook or Microsoft 365 tutorials. Yes, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.